If you're over 60 and care about your kidneys, this video is for you. We are often told to eat more vegetables. But after age 60, kidneys change. They filter more slowly and can be overloaded by some vegetables. Symptoms like tiredness, swollen ankles, or high blood pressure may be early signs from your kidneys. Shockingly, common foods like salads and juices could be stressing your kidneys. I'll reveal 5 vegetables seniors should limit and say for alternatives. Let's begin with number 5. Number 5. Beets. Beets are colorful and often considered health foods. However, they can stress aging kidneys due to high oxalate content. Oxalates can form crystals that may irritate kidney tissue and lead to stones. For younger people, kidneys filter oxalates well, but that changes with age. A 68-year-old woman who drank beet juice developed kidney strain linked to oxalates. After stopping, her discomfort faded. If you eat beets, boil them and discard the water to lower oxalates. Safer options are carrots, cauliflower, and green beans. Number 4. Spinach. Spinach is praised as a superfood. Yet, it's high in oxalates. 1 cup of cooked spinach can contain over 700 milligrams. Raw spinach in smoothies and salads can silently strain kidney function. This also blocks absorption of calcium and iron, nutrients older adults need. You don't have to avoid spinach, but preparation matters. Boiling spinach reduces oxalate significantly. Choose lower oxalate greens like kale or romaine for daily meals. Number 3. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are often seen as healthier than white potatoes. But they are high in potassium. Excess potassium can lead to fatigue and heart issues for seniors. A medium sweet potato has over 500 milligrams of potassium. A retired man faced dizziness after adding sweet potatoes to his diet. Moderation is key. Half a cup is safer than a whole sweet potato. Gentler options include turnips and radishes. Number 2. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are common in many dishes and seen as heart healthy. However, they carry concerns about oxalates and potassium. The issue arises from tomato sauces and juices, which can concentrate oxalates and potassium. This can lead to kidney stones over time. Tomatoes should be enjoyed in moderation. Pair them with calcium-rich foods and alternate with bell peppers or zucchini. Number 1. Potatoes. Potatoes are comforting but high in potassium. A medium baked potato can contain around 900 milligrams. When kidney function declines, excess potassium can lead to fatigue and heart problems. Preparation is crucial. Boiling potatoes can reduce potassium levels. Limit your portion size. Half a cup is safer than 1 whole potato. Swap with cauliflower or zucchini for everyday meals. Kidney-friendly vegetables to eat instead. You don't have to give up vegetables. 3 safe options for seniors are: 1. Cauliflower, low in potassium, high in fiber. 2. Cabbage, anti-inflammatory and easy on kidneys. 3. Peeled cucumber, high in water and great for hydration. These options reduce kidney strain while keeping meals enjoyable. Final thoughts. You've learned that not all vegetables are equal after 60. Beets and spinach can increase oxalate load. Sweet potatoes, tomatoes, and potatoes can overload potassium. If you've felt more tired, it may be your kidneys asking for help. Small, smart swaps can make a difference. Try swapping cauliflower for potatoes or adding cabbage to soups. Your kidneys work silently every day. Protecting them means more energy and a stronger future. Comment below on which swap you'll try first. Remember, every meal is a chance to stay healthier.